everybody, I'm Annie B and welcome to my channel. I participate in a jewelry making fun collab, and where on the 18th of each month at 12 noon we are supposed to show you the items that we made and just give you an overview of the product that we made. Now this collab is hosted by Dahlia Design Jewelry and More, aka Miss Deb Hawk. Now we are given colors, we are given optional challenges. And well, we're given 2 optional challenge. And she also, this year is a little bit different. She gave a suggestion that for the colors that she's using, suggesting that we could use this card if you have it. And I'm going to repeat it every time that this is not mandatory. You do not have to go out and buy this because they are rather expensive. To me, it is. Anything over $10 is expensive to me. But you can use this card, and this card is very helpful selecting the color of beads that you have to have in your project. So hold on a second, I will show you the item that I made for this month. For this month, I made a floating chip bead necklace. Now, right off the bat, I'll tell you, this is not a design. I did not make this design at all. I attended a jewelry class and we made this, and I said, okay, this will work for my project for the jewelry making fun collab. Now, what this is, as I stated earlier, is a floating chip bead necklace. And now I started out using the 20 gauge wire, but its 20 gauge was just a little bit too flimsy for me, so I opted out to use the 18 gauge copper wire. And I just made loops, just some little links out of loops, and I used jump rings in here as well. And I also, to string the necklace, I used the B. Smith fire line. This is a 6-pound microfiber bead thread. It's what I used just to to string the chip beads on. And what I also did was I also used some crimps to hold them. I just flattened them. I thought about using the crimp to make the crimp round, but that just wouldn't. I don't know where they are. I can't show them to you. Oh, where are they? Yes, I can show them to you. Let's see here. Okay, these are some crimps that I have. And you put your crimp bead in there. You see how this is? It will make your crimp round, but it would not work with the bead and thread. It was just too small. But anywho, I made this 3-strand, and I used the loops. At the bottom, I started out with 3, and then I used 2, a jump ring, and the 2, and I used this as a chain. These are my chain right here. But what I'm really proud of is the clasp. You can the toggle clasp, I don't know. I don't like the lobster clasp that well either. I thought about using the lobster clasp, but I decided I wanted something different. So I found this type clasp. I was on YouTube and I was looking up some clasp, and this one lady, I'm going to start writing these folks' names down, but I saw her making this type clasp. And this is a fun clasp to make. It actually locks. This piece right here, it goes inside that loop right in here. It loops, it goes right inside, and that chain is not going to come off. It's not going to come out at all. You put it in there and it is secure. That is the favorite part for me of this necklace. Again, it is copper. I thought about putting some texture on it, and I may do that on the next piece that I make, but I don't know. We'll see. But as far as the colors are concerned, I think I did them all. I know I have the mint, I have the dark teal, I have some sand in here as well, and I think I can kind of fudge a little bit on the dark orange, and I may have some of that salmon in here. But I think I got a little of it all in here. So that is my piece that I made for the month of May. And please go back and look at the other participants and see the items that they have made. And I guarantee you won't be disappointed. So that is it for Annie. You take care, and I will see you in June. Y'all take care now. Bye-bye.